Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I put together what I'm calling a Boho Farmhouse wreath. What you're going to need from the Dollar Tree is one of the metal crosses that are designed for a wreath, I guess, some nautical rope, and I happened to pick up this fur yarn at Dollar Tree. Didn't know what I was going to do with it, but it works well for this. Unwind your nautical rope so you have 3 strands. They did change up the rope. It's no longer like 3 strands of rope. Now it's 1,000,000 strands of jute. So it actually works well for this project. I don't know if I'll be taking it apart for other projects. And then I just did the center rung of the cross, and I went in a weaving motion over, under, over, under, over, under. I did all 4 sections, and then the center I just made an X shape just to cover that the empty square. So once that was all done, it looks like this. And then the next thing was to take my furry peach yarn and start wrapping that around the outer wire of the cross. I did section at a time because obviously that big ball of yarn isn't going to fit through. So the first piece I would tie, and then the end of it I would just hot glue to the metal, and then I would tie the next piece on and then hot glue it to the metal at the end until I went all the way around. And I still have plenty of that furry stuff, so if you have any ideas, let me know, and I'll be happy to try and make something. I picked up one of these beaded garland things from Dollar General, and I sanded off the letter because I don't need the letter, and it sanded off pretty well. And then I had some rhinestones, and I just used some hot glue, and I put a rhinestone cross on the front of the bead, and then I just hung it over my cross, and it's just hanging as a decoration. I thought the beads gave it more of a boho look also. And here's what it looks like just on a wall. But of course I'm adding it to my giant wreath that I change up for all the seasons, and this is what that's going to look like. And what I like about this wreath, it's not necessarily Easter. If this is your color scheme, you can keep this up all year long. Unfortunately, maybe I could put it in my bedroom. I'm not sure. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you liked it or not. And as always, if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.